Hello, my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegola, aka the Forex Apostle, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my latest trading strategy. I call it third touch trading strategy. Third touch trading strategy. In fact, this strategy I did not learn it from anywhere. I got it and I discovered it from work of a back testing and just try to crack the code, and I finally did it. So I'm going to be giving that to you today. However, if this is the very first time that you are stumbling on my YouTube channel, or you just stumble on my video, do me a favor, come on now, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share this video with your friend. Right on this channel, I give value. I mean, one way you can just say thank you is by liking this video. So go ahead. I'm going to give you 1 second to do that, and we'll dive into this video in a second. All right, welcome back once again. This is Emmanuel Adegola, aka the Forex Apostle. It's been a while. I've been so busy, and I'm coming with something massive that's going to revolutionize this trading industry. I mean, it's going to change everything, the way we trade and the way you make money trading forex. Well, anyway, let's keep that in the cooler. I'm going to be exposing that to you very soon. So today we're going to be looking into third touch trading strategy. I call it third touch trading strategy because it uses trend line. If you have been following me for a while, you will know that I'm not really like a naked chart trader. I use my own technical software, my own trading software. Like one of them is this Tradermatic, I have FX Sniper, I have EasyPCFX, and so on and so forth. But then there are times, especially these days, that there's no structure in the market. You thought, okay, yeah, this is double top. Before you know it, the market will just splash it and go. Oh, you set your stop loss. I don't know about you, but it has happened to me many times. You set your stop loss and you think, okay, the market get to this point, it can just cut you off. Before you know it, the market will just smash down. So I don't know about you, but that has happened to me many times. So sometimes we have to take a look at the chart, the way it is, price action, naked chart. So, and that is what I'm going to be showing you. Let me share my screen with you. I'm going to be sharing this whiteboard with you. So let's say, okay, this is a chart. Okay, number one, this strategy I don't like. Personally, I don't like to use trend line. I don't like using trend line, because if you give 3 traders a particular chart to draw trend line, they will draw it separately, and what you draw depends on the time frame you are working with. Somebody can draw a trend line like this, another one will draw like this, another one will draw. So there is no right and wrong way of drawing trend line. It just depends on what works for you. So, but we're going to be using trend line in this strategy. And basically, when the market is trending up, you are having the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and so on and so forth. So what is this strategy? In a simple way, you draw your trend line. Okay, let's assume that we don't know what is happening. Okay, what is going to happen after this time. So you draw your trend line like this, don't mind me, like this. And so let's say we don't have this yet. Remember, we don't have this yet. So okay, let me draw it all over again. So we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and let's say we have this. So what you do, you draw this trend line like this to touch this. This is the first touch, and the second touch. Okay, second touch. Now you don't know where the third touch will be. Just extend this line. So if this now go, let's say another higher high and come back to this, so this will be the third touch. Before you know it, you can. So let's say, for instance, you miss the trend, you miss this particular trend when it started. Maybe the market is right around this place when you saw the chart. So you draw this trend line like this, then you wait for this. This is higher high, higher high. Of course, this is uptrend, right? Higher high. So you wait. This is higher low, and this is higher low. This higher low. So you wait for this next higher low right there. So at this particular place, you place your buy, and your stop loss you can just take like a 10 pips below that particular entry point. I'm telling you sincerely, this will smash it and you will get your take profit. I mean, it's a very good strategy that I discovered by just back testing, looking at chart, and they have tested it many times. It works like crazy. I mean, I just traded that strategy even today, and I'm going to be showing you. So, like this is uptrend. What if it's a downtrend? The same thing. So you have, the market is going like this, like this, like this, like this, and you don't know where the next one will be. So what you just do, just draw, join this and this, join that and extend this. So if the market makes the lower high and lower low right here, so at this place you just sell, and your take profit, you can use this place, and most of the time it will actually extend more than that because this is downtrend. So your stop loss will be like a 10 pips above that entry. So, and if you really want to kill this really big, what to do, if this is daily chart, just step down to like 4 hours or 1 hour to place your trade there. If you do your analysis of 4 hours, then go to like 15 minutes or 1 hour and place your trade. Honestly speaking, 9 out of 10 times you will harvest massive pips. So after this commercial break, we'll dive into the chart and I will show you right on the chart.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.
All right, so welcome back. So this is good. I'm going to be doing the analysis of daily. So let's say this is daily chart, and let's say for instance, we forget about this, all this from this side, or we want to look into this swing right here, we want to look into this swing right here. So you draw this, and you draw this, right there. Because let me enlarge it with my zoom out. So right there. So take a look. So this is daily, this is good. This is the first touch right there. This is downtrend, forget about what happened before this time. This is downtrend, as you can see. And one of the reasons why I said I don't like using trend line is that some people now, if they want to draw this trend, if they want to draw the trend line, of course this is what they will draw. They will draw this and come like this, which they will tell you, of course, is right. Why? Because it broke this trend line right here, and that's why we have this upward swing right here. But I don't look at it that way. So what I do, I wait, like for instance, like a downtrend like this. Okay, so let's assume this is my A, this, and look at this place as my B, this right here is my C, this one comes down. So this is the first touch right here. Okay, this is the first touch right there. This one is the second touch. This one is the second touch. So you wait for the third touch. Remember, it pushes it down. So let's assume that, okay, this happens when you see this, when you see this chart. So you wait for the third one. This is the third touch right there. So what do? You now step down, you go to 4 hours, okay? Because we did the analysis on daily, so we just step down to 4 hours and we place our trade right here. So you can see, boom, it dropped right there. Then you can enter your sell stop right there, and then your stop loss come over here, and look at that massive drop. Boom. So you just see right there, and it's still dropping. Okay, it's still dropping right there. So that's what I call the third touch. Okay, I call it third touch trading strategy. This is the first one, this is the second one, and that's the third one. If you go to 1 hour, the same thing, you will see massive, oh my god, massive drop right there. Okay, so that is good. Let's look into another one. Let's take a look at the US 30. Okay, this US 30 right here, and if you look at this, if you look at US 30, let's from here, let's say we draw this, you don't know what has happened. Let's say forget everything that has happened before this place. Okay, so let's say forget everything that has happened before, let's say before here. Now you draw your trend line. Okay, let me delete this one so not to confuse you. So you draw your trend line from here to here, right there. Okay, we're going to take a look. Okay, remember the magic is in the third touch. So this is the first one. Okay, this is 4 hours. You can step down to 1 hour to place your trade, but look at it right here. This is one touch, this is the second touch. So let's say it goes up, wait for it to come down. At this third touch right here, you enter buy, boom, and your stop loss comes below here, and look at what happened afterward. So if you follow this, if you pick the trend from here, so what happens even if you pick the trend? Let's say, okay, for instance, you pick the trend, maybe this down is too far, and you just decide to pick, okay, you decide to pick the trend from, let's say, from here. You can have 1, 2, and just like that. So also this can be your first touch, this will be your second touch. It goes up, wait for it to come back down and touch that, and you put your buy and put your stop loss, and bam, you just go up right there. I mean, 9 out of 10, of course there's no 100% holy grail strategy, but 9 out of 10 times you're going to win. Okay, I hope you got this nugget, and I hope you got this tip. Okay, so make sure you go back to your chart, just practice it, look at different time frames, and look at those points where you see the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. See how the market. Okay, once again, my name is Emmanuel Adegola, and wait, I have a massive news for you. Something big is coming. Something big, something massive. I handpicked some selected few friends close par, and we'll be testing something massive that is coming very soon to you, and you don't want to miss it. I'm going to let you into it very, very soon, but make sure you don't miss any of my video, and if you are in my list, make sure you read any email you see me send to you. Okay, God bless you, I love you, and I will see you at the top. Peace.